That was a good development. It's about trying to get Caribbean squash stronger again and competitive in the region, and also communicating to our constituents and me communicating back to the board, what are the challenges that we face, and also strengthening the sport in the Pan American region on the international level. So I'm really looking forward to it. We've been having our meetings so far and they've been going really well, so our president is setting the path for the next 4 years, and it's exciting times.
And it doesn't hurt that squash is now going to be an Olympic sport in another 4 years, right?
It doesn't hurt at all. In fact, it's a great thing. And it's an exciting time to be a squash player, and we never thought this moment would happen. But as we say, nothing before its time, and it's truly a momentous moment when we heard that squash is in the Olympics. And it's now about us going out to plan to see how it is. One, if we can get a squash player from Jamaica at the Olympics. But let's plan to make it happen. It's going to be hard. It's going to be tough. We don't know what the requirements are yet. But let's see what we can do to make it happen.